Welcome to MVP Auto Update Hub, your go-to destination for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we dive into the legendary world of Harley-Davidson, a name that defines power, freedom, and an undying spirit of adventure. For over a century, Harley-Davidson has ruled the roads with its iconic cruisers, tourers, and custom motorcycles. From the historic Knucklehead to the modern Pan America 1250, Harley has continuously evolved while staying true to its legacy. The heart of every Harley lies in its engine. The Milwaukee 8V twin delivers that signature rumble, unmatched torque, and thrilling performance. Whether it's the Street Glide, the Fat Boy, or the Sportster S, each bike offers a unique experience for riders worldwide. Harley-Davidson is more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle. The Hog Harley Owners Group unites passionate riders from every corner of the globe, celebrating the freedom of the open road. With annual rallies like Sturgis and Daytona Bike Week, Harley enthusiasts gather to share their love for two-wheeled adventures. In recent years, Harley has embraced the future with innovations like the Livewire, an all-electric motorcycle delivering instant torque and a thrilling ride. While purists may prefer the growl of a traditional V-twin, Harley is ensuring its legacy continues in an era of sustainability. Customization is another reason why Harley stands out. Riders love modifying their bikes with custom exhausts, ape-hanger handlebars, and performance upgrades, making each Harley truly one of a kind. So, whether you crave the rugged appeal of the Road King, the modern tech of the Pan America, or the electrifying thrill of the Livewire, Harley-Davidson has a machine that speaks to every rider's soul. The legend of Harley-Davidson isn't just about motorcycles, it's about the passion, the adventure, and the brotherhood that comes with every ride. Thanks for tuning into MVP Auto Update Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing automotive content. Ride safe, and keep the spirit of freedom alive.